Hello everyone. 25th January IELTS exam review is here in front of you. You can see the listening was easy and the questions were related to selection of letters and matching the information. Reading passage 1 was related to Swiss watches. Second passage was related to why can't we sleep, and third was details of black rat and animals. The answers will be uploaded very soon on Instagram. Talking about writing task 1, it was related to pie charts, reasons of training in one foreign language of employees in an export country. And writing task 2 was eventually technology will solve the most important environmental problems the world faces today. To what extent do you agree, disagree? And it was related to the prediction. If you also want to get the prediction, you can follow us, you can join us, you can contact on this number. Also, the reading and listening answers will be uploaded very soon. Writing task is already available on Instagram. You can check that. And the next batch is going to start. Please, you can go there, check the reviews, and download the app so that you can get all the predictions. Individual classes as well as group classes are already available. You can contact us. All the information is given in the description box. You can get it there.